In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically forward emails in Outlook. Email forwarding is great when you want messages from one inbox to automatically land in another, whether you're consolidating accounts or ensuring a teammate doesn't miss important updates. I'll walk you through the setup and share a few tips to keep things smooth. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to forward from. If you're prompted to log in, enter your credentials and give Outlook a moment to load your inbox. It's a good idea to confirm you're in the correct mailbox, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Look to the top right corner of the Outlook window and click the Settings gear icon. This opens a panel with your personalization and mail options. If your layout looks a bit different, maximize your window or use the Settings search bar and type Forwarding to jump straight to the right place. In the Settings panel, navigate to Mail, then find Forwarding. This section controls whether your incoming messages are automatically sent to another address. If you don't immediately see it, you're likely in the correct area, but may need to expand mail categories or use the search field in Settings. Turn on the option to enable forwarding. This activates the feature for your account. Keep in mind that some work or school accounts may have policies that limit forwarding. If you get a notice about restrictions, you might need admin approval. Enter the destination email address where you want your messages to go. Type carefully and double-check for typos. An incorrect address can send your mail into the wrong inbox or cause delivery failures. If you're forwarding to an external service, make sure that inbox is active and not full. Choose whether to keep a copy of forwarded messages in your original inbox. Checking this option is helpful if you want a record of everything that was forwarded or if you plan to search your mail later. Just remember that keeping copies uses storage space, so monitor your mailbox quota if you receive a lot of mail. When you're done, click Save. That applies your changes right away. To confirm it's working, send a quick test email to yourself and verify it appears in the destination inbox and, if you chose to keep copies, in your original inbox as well. If you ever want to pause or stop forwarding, return to the same forwarding setting and turn it off. That's all there is to it. Simple, reliable, and quick to adjust whenever your workflow changes.